Here is another glasses from Firmoo, which I got recently. So this glasses is different from the ones I've been getting from Firmoo. I would like to unbox it. Firmoo's products are super affordable and stylish. This particular glasses is designed for multiple uses to switch between optical glasses and sunglasses. My shopping experience was very great, and these glasses came in within 2 weeks of ordering it. If you want something like this, kindly go through the link on my bio to place your order. You would also get a 50% off when you use my code MYCL50. The price of the glasses and the style number is on your screen right now. So if I were you, I'll go ahead and place my order quickly. This is lovely. I can decide to use it this way, or better still, add this. Maybe when it's sunny, flip it just as you can see me do. And here you go. With Firmoo, you define your look.